Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL One S 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to the general category, and here at the first place we have volume button function, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to use this as shutter, which is now zoom or volume. So let me change it now to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume keys now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.